Me, Maya, and today I'm back with another video with my sister. Say hello. And today we're going to be doing some gardening. And the first thing that we're going to be working on is the lemon balm. This little guy right here. Well, he's not very much little anymore because he used to be a little tiny little plant in a little pot like that. And now he's humongous. He's a big part of our garden. And I'm just going to do some snipping because he's gotten really big. So, like this leaf right here. See how it's kind of like brown? There we go. Those brown spots. Yeah. Okay. Oh my. Yeah, let me turn the camera and you guys can see what I'm looking at. Deep inside of here, there is some dead ones. Like this, I just set, and look at this. Is super dead. And this right here is like, anyways. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on clipping off all these dead ones. So I'm gonna show you guys around our garden. First, there's the lemon balm, but we were just barely clipping. And there's the, Lola, what kind of tree is this in the corner? Loquat tree. Loquat tree.
And then there's our big grapevine.
So Lola thinks that's kale, and then what does it say on that stick right there? Maybe I should go closer.
Bell peppers.
Bell peppers? Okay, so is the, yeah, that's the bell peppers. And then the bell peppers are doing pretty good. And that's the grapevine. It's like growing everywhere. Then there's this more kale, I think. Oh, you guys should have seen our kale before. It was like growing tall. But yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of kale, and I don't know what these little sprouts over here are. I'll have to ask my mom. But there's those little sprouts. Oh, it says those little sprouts are arugula. But so I guess those baby ones are arugula. Then I don't know what's planting right there. It looks like more arugula or something. Lola, what's in this one? This pot? The purple one?
It's a kumquat tree or something.
Kumquat?
Yeah.
I thought that this one was.
No, that was loquat.
Oh, this is a loquat tree
if
in this pot. Well, this one's in the ground, and then in this pot right here. What's in this pot? And then we just have a few succulents up here, hanging on the fence. And then we have our hose, and then we have this. Is this the orange tree, Lola?
Yeah.
And then there's the orange tree. And then over here we have some social garlic. Right here. And then we have, what is this? Then we have just regular garlic. And then we have some lavender.
And then mint, and then rosemary. And then
we were harvesting some, what is it called? Sunflower seeds. Then over here in our garden bed we have a succulent. It's a big one. And there's our chair and everything. Then we have some fennel. There's Lola. And then we have, you know, the grapevine. It's planted over there. And then we have, is that the lemon tree? Because that was the orange tree. And then this is the lemon tree, I think, that one. And then this is just our garden. This is mostly just compost. Then there's another succulent plant. Then there's a light. And then you can walk over here. And then which plant is this one, Lola? This one we don't quite know yet. It's kind of like a peach thing. Then we have a plum tree. It produced us a lot of plums. Then we have a fig tree that only gave us one fig so far. And then way back there, there's, what is it called? The jasmine plant. And then I think that's all for this one. And that's our whole garden. Is there any more? Oh, and then we have some baby succulents. One right here, baby succulents, and then one right here. This one's so cute. Okay. Now, then there's our picnic table, and there's Lola, what's it called? We have our, what is it called? First, my mom's gonna be doing laundry in the big laundry thing, laundry machine. She's gonna be doing the hand laundry. And yeah, so most of these plants I should ask my mom what they are. And yeah, I'm just gonna sit down. And there's Lola's hanging up her clothes and doing her laundry, and on the picnic table, and there's our trailer, and there was the harvesting of the sunflowers, and then there is me sitting down in a chair, and it's pretty cool. And so I'm just hanging out in the garden, doing pretty much nothing. Just showing you guys around, watching Lola doing her laundry, eating fennel. I just had a good idea. I should show you guys everything that's edible. So, yeah, everything that's edible. I'll show you guys the first thing that's edible. First, there is the herb garden. There's the rosemary, that's edible. The mint, edible. Excuse me a little. And then there is the lavender, also edible. And what's this? The garlic, that's edible. Social garlic, edible. And then somehow we have some lemon balm growing over here. And then we have our orange tree, also edible. I mean, I don't know about the leaves, but I'm sure the fruit is. Lemon balm, edible. And succulents are not edible. Maybe some, but then like cactus is edible. Anyways, then there's the loquat right there in the corner that we got from that guy. Remember? Was that the loquat?
Yeah.
That was the loquat. Here, let me zoom into one of the leaves so that you know which one I'm talking about. This one right here. Loquat. And then the one in the red pot right there, or orange. I don't know which one that is, but I'm sure it might be edible. And then the other one also edible, the fruit. And then, oh, and I forgot, we have a blackberry plant. It's just hiding in all these plants right there. Let me show you guys. It's right about there. That's it's starting, and then it grows bigger and bigger. And here's the blackberry vine. And then there's the arugula and the grape plant. And I'll show you guys some of the grapes, but they're all mostly green. If there are any, because I know there's some that are green. Maybe I'll show you guys in a different video. After the arugula, then there's kale and bell peppers. Oh yes, and tomatoes right here, because it says tomatoes on that stick. Then more kale, grapevine, and then a lemon tree, I think, and then what's it called? Oh, I forgot to say what was edible. So arugula, also edible. The kale, edible. Tomato plants, edible. Bell peppers, edible. And then more kale, edible. And then the grapevine, I think even the leaves are edible. And then the fennel, also edible. Lemon tree, edible. And now I need to show you guys by the plum trees. Then this tree plant has edible fruit that comes off. Plum tree, also edible. And then the fig tree, edible. And then is the totally forgot. Oh yeah, the jasmine plant, is it edible?
I don't think so.
So the jasmine plant isn't edible, but I think this is edible. Those succulents. And I think that's it. Oh yeah. And again, there's me. And make sure to, so subscribe for more videos. Hit the like button if you like the video. And comment down below if you like planting things or like plants. Just do those things. And quick thing. There's Lola. And goodbye!